Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Jamaican oxtail. First, you'll want to thoroughly clean your oxtail pieces using water and a splash of vinegar or lime juice. Next, carefully trim away any excess fat to ensure your gravy isn't too oily. Then, generously season the oxtail with a vibrant mix of Jamaican spices and fresh aromatics. For the best flavor, let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight if time allows. Once your oxtail is beautifully marinated, it's time to sear it. Heat a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat with a few tablespoons of oil. Brown the oxtail pieces on all sides until they develop a rich, dark crust. This crucial step locks in the juices and builds a foundational layer of flavor. After browning, deglaze the pot with a little water or broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Now for the magic of tender oxtail, braising. Return the seared oxtail to the pot, adding enough water or beef broth to just cover the meat. Bring it to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook slowly for about 3 to 4 hours. This low and slow method breaks down the tough fibers, resulting in incredibly tender, fall-off-the-bone meat. If you're short on time, a pressure cooker can achieve similar tenderness in about 45 minutes. In the final 30 minutes of cooking, add a can of drained butter beans and any remaining fresh seasonings to the pot. Continue to simmer, uncovered, allowing the rich gravy to thicken to your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, ensuring a perfectly balanced and savory flavor profile. Serve your tender, flavorful Jamaican oxtail hot, perhaps with a side of rice and peas, for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.